behalf of IPFT, as a Vice President of this IPFT, I would like to appeal before the Court of India, before the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister, please give us Tripura land as per condition of the Constitution of India. It is possible so that we can relieve from the all exploitation, all suppression, all made by the other caste, other communities. This is my appeal today. So I will not speak more. Today our dignitaries and VIPs, our officials will take their deliver their speech. I will stop here. Again, I would like to thank to the supporters, warriors of our pages and dignitaries and the localities, as well as the media friends present here, attending here. Takuro bukuro borong bujina bai kisa kokoi masaka je buji mane nor khata tibaye kokoi mokoi sao hnoi. Sung amtiken songram khalinai. Sung je thuyasa sung thui thama pore chin bosaro khainai. Chin takhubuko khainai. Karon chin barni somida poriskar thuyak tongo. Sung of Tripura Sadin, Tripura Tripura land Sanman of Sambab, of some Kichuya. Sudo Takurito, Kurito, Pemorito, that's sexy. Sung be unite, be together, and we'll get it sure, 100% sure. We'll fight against the illegal unto our death. Takuru Bukrasa Sawina and Kongaro Mutaka. Thank you.
Chini Delhi Movement Committee ni Honorable Chairman Tai Chini Party ni Bo Vice President Borong Gunang Prodit Kumar Deborma Chini Buskangon Nang Pukmani Kok Hai Langka Awan Bagai Bono Chini Coban Ichibai Hari Chini Bisileria Jatuh Chini Yagos Dora Belai Kesebba Tabuk Ang Chini Buskango Short speech ri Narihani Bagai Koinai Chini Party ni General Secretary Borong Gunang Sopon Kumar Debor Sopon Debor Mano Hambai
Honorable former Cabinet Minister of Tripura and President of Indigenous People Front of Tripura, IPFT, and the Chairman of this program, that is observance of 15th Tripura Land State Court Demand Day, for demanding creation of full-fledged separate state Tripura land through these sitting peaceful sitting demonstrations at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. Honorable Vice President IPFT Sri Krishnakanta Jamatia ji, other Vice President Sir Pradeep Devarma ji and Rajendra Riyan ji, and all our members of executive committees, Khasel Tai Champa, Tripurani, Tai Dilli wa Tamnai, Jara Ora Phai Manja Phainai Chini Tiprasa, बेबाक जतो त्रिपुरा सा ताखुक चाय बुकुक संनो दिल्ली नि जंतर मंतर होइते नरग्न IPFT and its allied organization ni পক্ষ থেকে তিনি পাইফাইয়া হামবাইয়া পারো जों साहर मानो सिनि त्रिपुराओ तुई तरुई दाबुक ओरै परै नांजाक सिनि बखा बस्त जों तंगै माइया बने बागै सिनि खासुकसा जे सिनि मिनिस्टार कैबिनेट मिनिस्टार श्री शुक्लाचरण नुवाजिया जी बनो जों तिनि प फाइनानि तंमानि फानो जों त्रिपुराओ कावै मा फाइका बिनि साव तो खूब वातै तुई तरुई सिद्रा अवस्था तंमानि बागै बने बागै खा दुखन नांतु तुई फानो जों जे त्रिपुरालेण्ड नांगौ आबोनि बागै सिनि सिगांनि सिनि जे प्रग्राम टक आउट खालायजाक 23 अगस्त 2024 जंतर मंतर बनि बागै जों मा फालायका अरो जे फाइ सकपायनाय सिनि जत ताखुक बुखुक नरग्न पाइफलाया हामबाय एंड यहाँ से जो दिल्ली से प्रेस मीडिया फ्रेंड्स पुलिस दिल्ली पुलिस सेंट्रल IB ऑफिशियल्स और दिल्ली से जो लोग यहाँ है हम लोग का साथ है सभी को IPFT एंड इट्स एलाइड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के तरफ से मेरा नमन ताखुक दाई बुकुक्सन डियर फ्रेंड्स with the indigenous people of Tripura IPFT and its allied organization we are observing 15th Tripural Statehood Demand Day 2024 through launching peaceful democratic sitting demonstration at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi today. Like previous years and appeal to extend support for fulfillment our long-standing Tripural statehood demand for greater interest of the state and Tripuri or Tripura people. Friends, as you are certainly aware that the IPFT being a political party, हम लोग डिमांड करके आया है 2009 से आज लगातार हर साल एवरी ईयर मेमोरेंडम सबमिट करके आज 23 अगस्त 2004 अवधि हम लोग ट्रिपुरालैंड मांग करके डिमांड करके हमारा मेमोरेंडम रीसबमिट आज भी हम लोग करेंगे एंड you also know that the demanding for creation of newly full-fledged separate state Tripuraland, it is in elevation with the TTIDC scheduled area. The area is 7,132.56 square kilometer in provision of Article 2 and 3 under the Constitution India and submitted memorandum to the then Prime Minister of India from 29 October 2009 and resubmitting memorandum through launching peaceful democratic movement at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi and also launching in the state like as hunger strike sitting demonstration since 209 in every year. Dear friends, the indigenous people of Tripura ever facing chronic multifarious problems during last 75 years, right from the date of merger of princely ruled independent Tripura with Indian Union on and from 15 October 1949. The main problems, हम लोगों का जो main problems, the major problems है, this is population explosion in Tripura state due to enormous infiltration of foreign nationals. This is the one of the major problems in Tripura. Friends, the Aborigines people, son of the soil, who is the ruler of Tripura, has been reduced to slendering minority due to massive influx, illegal infiltration, from Bangladesh and settled in the state from Bangladesh since merger agreement 15 October 1949 from colossal alienation of tribal land. As a result, displacement of the indigenous Tripura people from their ancestral homestead and cultivable land since merger agreement, friend, my dear friend. Socially and educationally backward, indigenous people of Tripura in every sphere of life facing crisis of identity in their own homeland. My dear friend, exploitation, oppression, suppression, atrocities, deprivation from their basic minimum requirement as a citizen of India for the last 75 years. Minimum civic amenities, quality education, drinking water facilities, road connectivity, sanitation and health care, electricity, etc. is still distant dream in the TTADC scheduled hill area till date. Inequality in every development sector between TTADC scheduled area and non-scheduled area are drawn a distinctive boundaries under the state. Negligence and procrastination of Kokrok language. This is the language of indigenous people and its script issue that should be in Roman as per recommendation of all language commission or committee regarding use of script for Kokrok language, and of course the demand for inclusion in 8th schedule of the Constitution of India is going on last 75 years. बहन और भाइयों, 2018 में जब हम लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी एंड आईपीएफटी दो दल मिलकर जो पॉलिटिकल अलायंस हुआ है, तब जो मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडर उसमें हम लोग दो पार्टी मिलकर सिग्नेचर किया है। हम लोगों का जो डिमांड है वो डिमांड को सॉल्व करने के लिए एक कमिटी होगा जिसका नाम होगा मॉडलिटी कमिटी, और एज पर हम लोगों का जो एग्रीमेंट है, साइन है, मौ है। बाद में 2018 में हाई लेवल मॉडलिटी कमिटी भी किया। उनका जो रिपोर्ट अभी हम लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी बीजेपी के साथ त्रिपुरा में गवर्नमेंट चला रहा होते थे और कमिटी भी हुआ है हाई लेवल मॉडलिटी कमिटी, लेकिन अभी 6 ईयर हो गए हैं दोस्तों। इट इज क्रॉसिंग 6 ईयर। रिकमेंडेशन ऑल्सो हैव बीन सबमिटेड, किंतु एखोनो अभी भी ये इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ है। उसके बाद द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 125 अमेंडमेंट बिल 2019 जब बीजेपी आईपीएफटी सरकार में आया 2019 पे हम लोगों का तब देन जो होम मिनिस्टर माननीय राजनाथ सिंह वो राज्यसभा में इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, और बीजेपी और आईपीएफटी जो सरकार 18 नवंबर 2019 में असेंबली में त्रिपुरा असेंबली में पास करके अभी द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 125 अमेंडमेंट बिल, जो बिल अभी पार्लियामेंट में है। दोस्तों, द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स Government of India have taken initiative for 125 amendment of 6th schedule to the Constitution of India for more autonomy and financial grants to it. The Constitution 125 Amendment Bill 2019 was introduced in Rajya Sabha by the Minister of Home Affairs, Mr. Rajnath Singh on February 6, 2019. The aforesaid bill certainly to address the cherished danger of the indigenous people of the northeastern region, including Tripura state, wherein the scheduled area and a special administrative system is in existence. And accordingly, the Tripura Assembly has been passed an unanimous resolution for the 125 constitutional amendment to empower the TTIDC under 6th schedule of the Constitution of India on 18 November 2019. এবং এই 125 অ্যামেন্ডমেন্ট বিলের মাধ্যমে ত্রিপুরা রাজ্য সরকার বিজেপি এবং আইপিএফটি জোট যে সরকার একটি রিকমেন্ডেশন প্রস্তাব পাঠিয়েছে 125তম সংবিধান সংশোধন বিলের মাধ্যমে যে বর্তমান যে তৃতীয় এডিসি এই এডিসিতে 30